Good morning. Today we are going to see a topic linear function for commerce students. Subject name is mathematics and statistical computation. First, we should know what is meant by a linear function. Linear function means the power of the x will be 1. For example, a function is of the form f of x is equal to ax plus b, where a and b are constant. Example 3x plus 5. Here the power of an x value is 1. If the power of a variable is 1, then the function is said to be a linear function. Graph for this linear function will be of a straight line in the xy plane. A is called as a slope of the straight line and B is called as an intercept on the y-axis. If B is equal to 0, the graph will pass through the origin. The straight line can be expressed in the following forms. First form is slope-intercept form. It is of the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Second form is xy axis, x by a plus y by b equal to 1. If the straight line passing through a single point and a slope, then the equation is of the form y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. If the equation passing through the 2 points, then the linear equation will be y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to y minus y2 by x minus x2. My first problem, salary of an employee in 1985 was 1200. In 1987, it will be 1350. I have to express this situation in a linear function of time and I have to estimate the salary in the year 1988. Here the given problem is there are two parameters, year and salary. So year is 1985, the salary is 1200, whereas in 1987 the salary is 1350. In 1988 the salary is, we have to find it out. So I am going to construct an equation that should be a linear, because in question they ask the linear function with respect to time. I have considered the year as t1, t2 and unknown as t, and the salary as s1, s2 and unknown as s. My equation is, so I am constructing my equation as s minus s1, that is unknown salary minus first salary minus t s1 minus s2 into t minus t1. So my s1 value is 1200, so I am applying my s1 value, and in the RHS part I am going to divide s1 minus s2. So 1200 minus 1350 divided by t1 minus t2, that is 1985 minus 1987 into t minus t1. T is unknown, so I keep it as t minus 1985. If I simplify this, I will get the equation as 1200 plus 75 into t minus 1985. Keep it as equation number 1. If we substitute the year, we can calculate the salary easily. Here they have asked only for the year 1988. So I am going to apply the t value as 1988 minus 1985. If I simplify it, I will get the answer 1425. Therefore, the estimated salary in the year 1988 is rupees 1425, that is 1425 rupees. My second problem is life expectancy of a male in the year 1987 in a country is 70 years. In 1962, it was 60 years. Assuming the life expectancy to be a linear function of time, make a prediction of the life expectancy of male in that country in the year 1997. As we have seen in the first problem, here we are going to calculate the life expectancy for the year. In previous problem we have calculated the salary for the year. Here we are going to calculate the life expectancy. So the given is 1962 as 60 years, 1987 as 70 years, 1997 is question mark. We are going to calculate that. My linear function is given as e minus e1, that is the unknown expected minus first expected value. E minus 60 equal to e1 minus e2. 60 minus 70 by t1 minus t2. 1962 minus 1987 into t minus 1962. If we solve this, we will get an equation e minus 60 equal to 2 by 5 t minus 1962. If we apply the value of t, we will get the expected value. So for the year 1997, I am going to apply t value as 1997. If I simplify it, I will get the answer 74. That is, the predicted life expectancy in the year 1997 is 74 years. Thank you.